welcome to Bobby's Kitchen. Today we are going to cook taco spaghetti. So what we need for this is a 9x13 pan, 2 pounds of hamburger, 2 cups of Mexican style cheese, 2 packages of taco seasoning mix, a 1 pound package of spaghetti, 6 ounces of tomato paste, 2 cans of Rotel, and I guess you could adjust this whether you want to get the hot, the medium, the regular, whatever you want. I've got 1 mild and 1 original. And some pan spray for your 9x13 pan, and a skillet to cook your hamburger in. So let's get started. Okay, what we want to do is we want to cook this in a stock pot or like a Dutch oven. This is just one of my big pots. And as soon as we get this browned, then I'll go ahead and drain the grease off this, and then I will return it to the pan, and then we will be back. But you want to make sure that you've got a big pan to cook this in, because we have to add 6 cups of water to this. Okay, we got our hamburger browned, and we have drained the grease off of it. So now I'm going to take my 2 packages of taco seasoning mix and put in here. And the 2 cans of Rotel. These are not drained. And my can of tomato paste. Stir that around a little bit. And I have turned on the oven to 350 degrees. So, and next thing I want to add is our spaghetti. And I'm going to actually break this in half when I take it out of here, so. And I want to cover with 6 cups of water. So that's 2, 4, and 6. Okay, and then I'm going to get a lid and cover this up. So I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it and cook it for around 15 minutes or until the pasta is cooked. Okay, so our taco spaghetti is boiling, so now I am going to turn it down to a simmer and cover it. And I'm going to set a timer for, I'm going to set it for about 13 minutes, and we'll be back to check on this. Okay, spaghetti here has been cooking for about 15 minutes. I did take the lid off to let the extra liquid cook down just a little bit. So about the last 5 minutes of that or whatever was without the lid on it. So I've got my 9x13 pan here. It's been sprayed, and I put it on a cookie sheet just in case this boils over. So now I'm going to take the cheese and sprinkle over the top of this. And put this in the oven. Like I said it earlier at 350 degrees. And I'll just cook this until the cheese is melty and bubbly on top. You ever notice these easy open packages never are? So I'm going to use all of it, so I'm just going to cut the top of it. So now I'm just going to put this in the oven uncovered, like I said, until the cheese melts and gets kind of golden on top. I'm figuring it'll probably take, probably around 10 minutes would be my guess. So, let's put this in here. And I will turn on the light. And we'll be back in about 5 to 10 minutes. And there is our taco spaghetti after it's come out of the oven. We'll dish up a plate and show you what it looks like.